Hey beauties, it's your girl Megan Dazanaki coming back at you with another video. You can already see from the description, from the title, what this is about, but this is also a little bit of a first impressions. I am trying a new makeup brand that I have never tried before. You may have heard of it. You may have heard of the creator, which is Lady Gaga. I really hope this light is not flickering. I keep changing the settings on it and then I feel like it flickers. Okay, I think that's good. Yes, so this makeup line is another celebrity makeup line. I say another, it's not another new one to me necessarily, although I have tried and reviewed recently. I will post it here. Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. This is another celebrity line because a lot of celebrities, a lot of TikTokers, a lot of influencers are coming out with their own makeup or skincare lines. And this is kind of like one of those, except it's sold on Amazon. I guess it's not an except, but it's just an interesting thing. Because a lot of these brands are normally in Ulta or in Sephora, or of course can be purchased online or have their own websites. This one does have its own website, but it's also sold on Amazon. Without further ado, this is the lovely black box that I got. Yes, I've already peeked, and you can see HAUS Laboratories. This is by Lady Gaga. So I got a whole bunch of goodies in here. Like I said, this is my first time trying it. I am splitting these things with my sister. This is part of her Christmas present as well. I purchased a variety of things just so I could try a variety of things. Plus they're having sales and I got some little free goodies, including this little clear glittery little PVC HAUS Laboratories makeup bag. Okay, so I started to pull some of these things out of the boxes because I want to look at the packaging, and then I realized that they don't all say what they are on the packaging, on like the actual component. So then I stopped because I didn't want to get confused. But once I read them, I think I'm going to know what's what. So, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this one first. Like I said, I got a variety of eye and lip products. This is the Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder in Biker. And it looks like this. I love the packaging of these. All of these that I've gotten pretty much, all of the eye products and lip products at least, are all square. They have this nice pointed top. The pigment all comes into a cool shape at the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of these because I want to do a little first impressions as well. So I did say this is the liquid shimmer powder, so this is not a lip product per se. This would be an eye product, so that's what that looks like. Make sure I get a nice dip in there. I've really been into liquid eyeshadows lately, so that's why I was super excited to try this. So that's what that looks like, and that was in the shade Biker with Glam Attack, right? Yes. Okay. So that was the first product. The second product that I got, again, all of the boxes pretty much look the same, but they do tell you the description on the side. I got another Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder, and this one is in, see, now I'm confused. I'm already confused. One of them is in Biker. They weren't the yeah. One says All Over Liquid Shimmer, and the other one just says Liquid Shimmer Powder. And one's in Crystal Remedy. I'm going to say this one's in Crystal Remedy because it's got a lot more color and sparkle going on. So same thing. This has got more of an orange copper vibes, but I also want to say it's maybe kind of pink, like it would go with my outfit or even my look that I've got on currently. So those are super fun. I would definitely will use those. That first shade's a lot more brown. It reminds me a lot of the Too Faced Twinkle Twinkle or Twinkle Lights, whatever they are. The Too Faced glitter, liquid glitter eyeshadows. there is a shade Licorice that looks really, really close to that brown. It's maybe a little bit darker. And then I also, can't think of what the name of it is, but I use this color a lot too. It's got a lot more glitter in it, the Too Faced one does, than this, but they're definitely super cute and usable colors. Okay, got a nice long package for this one because this is the Le Riot Gloss. This is the Ultra Shine Lip Gloss in Chocolate Rain. So I believe the darker of the shimmer powders was on sale. Like, you buy one Glam Attack, you get one free, and that was the chosen color. So same packaging as the other ones, except this lip product is a little bit longer. When I said this is a lip gloss, that intrigues me. I'm not a big lip gloss girl. Ooh, it's definitely got a lot of pigment on the doe for there. I'm gonna be a weirdo and smell it. What did I say this color was? Chocolate Rain. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So it's definitely dark, but it's a lip gloss. I'm wondering how. Otherwise, this might be a gift for a friend, or if you're wanting to do a wet eye look, I bet you could put that on your eyelid. I do it for pictures. I've never experimented with like the wet eye look, because I know a lot of times it's just like putting some kind of like gel product on top of gel, or like jelly product on top of your makeup. So I'm curious. But that's cute. I really like the color of that, the Chocolate Rain. Let's keep going, okay? These things are already taken out of the box, but I'll show you the nice long packaging. This one is the Identify Gel Pencil Eyeliner, and I got this in Priscilla. I love this packaging as well. You can see the color of the product is right at the bottom, so it's all black, and then it ombres to the bright blue, because yes, I got the bright blue eyeliner. If I can get that top off. So bright, so fun. I love my blue eye looks. I love my Blue Blood palette. There is that blue in Priscilla. So fun, so bright. I'm so gonna have fun experimenting and playing with that. Super excited. All right, and last but not least, I got a lip liner. This is the RIP lip liner. It's a demi matte lip liner, and I got this in the shade Myth. So the packaging is different on this. Otherwise, it looks like a normal lip liner, but the lid or the cap to this is round, but then it comes to a square with that point on the top, just like all of those lip and eye products had. And then the color is at the very bottom. So this is in a brown. This is a wood pencil, straight up. She's nice and creamy and would really go nicely with that Chocolate Rain or that eye color that I've got. Overall, a really great variety of products, a great range. The only thing that's coming off with those eyeshadows is glitter. And yes, there is glitter coming off. Let's rub those eyeliner and lip liner. The eyeliner barely smudged. The lip liner definitely smudged. It also just got onto my hand. And that Chocolate Rain is still sticky. So, definitely stay tuned to see what products I'm going to use. Like I said, some of these are for my sister's Christmas present. I offered to her to be in this video too, to test these out with me. She declined. Sister, if you're watching this, you could have been here. But that's okay. I respect your decision to not be in the video. I'm gonna let her pick which one she wants. But I definitely got Priscilla for me. I got that from, yes, that's mine. I'll let her choose whichever one she wants. And then I will definitely be testing them. So definitely be looking forward to a full-on first impressions and review video of these products. It's awesome to see them already within a few moments. But let me know if you tried some Haus Laboratory products already, or if you're excited or want to try some. I definitely think I got a good variety of products, and I'm definitely excited to play with them and see all the awesome things I can create. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Okay, so I was just, dousing my hand in some micellar water, and you can see the chocolate rain left some chocolate sparkles. But hello, eyeliner. The eyeliner is like not coming off. Interesting. So interesting. Especially for not being a liquid. Hello, pigment. Hello.